Wow. What's up? What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, me, without professional help, we're gonna paint this car. Stay tuned. Ooh-wee. Yep, she looks pretty straight. I think tomorrow's the day, man. Final wash done. Just gonna clean up the garage now. Tomorrow's going down. So I painted the beard, and I painted the savoy. Like, keep in mind, this is in the garage, okay? We do have like a run there, I get that. A bug fell in right there, and I tried to fix it anyway. And it does have some dirt nibs, but guys, we're in my garage. I couldn't have asked for a better outcome. Like, it is. It's still flattening out. Like, you got the little guy there, and that's a little bug. It's still flattening out. So it's gonna get flatter. You still gotta wet sand it. I mean, look at the reflection. Ooh. And it is single stage, so you know there is a little bit of dry spray. You know, it's gonna happen whenever we're this close to all this shit. But I mean, oh my god. Whew. See a little dry spray right there. But by the time we hit this with 1,500, 3,000, and then buff it, you ain't gonna be able to tell anything. It's gonna be so nice. I'm so excited. I think it looks great. And yeah, the body work and all that stuff, but actual paint, we're in under $300 in actual paint to get it to this point. $100 worth of body filler and $100 worth of primer, and thousands of hours of body work. Now, if Scott that just left, or Brian, any of my actual painter buddies, would have done this, it wouldn't have taken so long. But I'm not a professional. I just wanted to, kind of do this for my dad. My dad's already paid a lot of money out on this car, and it's so sentimental to him. It makes it sentimental to me. So I'm so happy that we got this done, and he hasn't seen it. I told him he cannot come over today, so, which is good. It's still settling. He's gonna come over tomorrow, and we're gonna get his reaction. Hopefully it's good. I promised him the car's gonna look good. I never said it's gonna be a show car. He knows it's not gonna be a show car, but I told him it's gonna look good, and everybody else told him it's gonna look good. So I guess we'll wait till he comes over tomorrow and see what he has to say. Ooh, I'm excited. All right, y'all. So it's the next day. Just got home from work. Car's looking pretty good. Just pulled up. I'm nervous. See his reaction. See what it looks like. Wow. Man, this is like all right. So we got to go through it, figure out all the bad spots. Obviously we got wet sand and buff it. It does, it is orange peeled, but I mean, we did it in my garage, you know what I mean? So I think we might push it out there in the daylight, see what it look like. Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap. I know this video is short, especially for like a paint job video, but man, I'm proud of it. I think it looks good. Obviously my dad was super excited about it. I did show him glimpses last night on a video call, but I didn't show him a whole lot. So I like it. I like it a lot. She is all right. Now we got to let it sit for like a week. Then we're going to wet sand, and then from this body line up to that body line is going that blue. It's getting red stripes on the roof. The tail panel back there in the back is going red. The scoop's going red. And the window frames are going red. Just one of those things you're going to have to bear with me. You'll see. I'm sure there's going to be somebody that sees this that could have done better with a blowgun and spray paint. But I like it. It is orange peely a little bit. We do got some orange peel. We got one run, and we got a few bugs. But guess what? We have sandpaper too. We have a water hose. I got a buffer. We gotta go get some compound. I don't have a compound. Don't have any compound. But now this thing is super close to nearing completion. I know y'all thought this day would never come. I didn't think this day would come. It was starting to look dark and gloomy there for a minute. So this thing's wrapped up real soon. And y'all know what happens when this thing's wrapped up, right? I tell you, something's almost home. It's getting close to getting home. And it's got a big freaking turbo on it. And it's going to make a god-awful amount of power. I can't wait. Once we wrap this car up, the turbo 500 cubic inch dusters should be done back here in the garage. And I don't care what it looks like. We're going to throw that thing together. And I'm going to try to keep it off a wall at the no prep. So I'm super excited about that, guys. Super excited. I can't wait for that. This car more like a definitely not a show car by any means, but it is supposed to be a great looking race car, and I think that's what we did. So I'm gonna run this be real. I'm gonna quit talking. I'll see you in the next one. Get back to some duster stuff real soon. I think the next video y'all see will be about Bertha, and then fixing the Silverado. Got some stuff with that, and then duster content coming soon. Check this out, y'all. See y'all next one. Peace. Yep, that's some pretty good orange peel. Yep. 1,500 on that one. Get off there, bug. Up there's bad on orange peel. Everywhere else looks pretty good. Still gotta paint the hood. Oh, that's a shadow. I thought that was dense or something. Oh, baby. Ooh, look at that run. Yeah, I feel like it's really creamy. But it's not. It's the same color as the door jambs. It's just as light, I guess. Whew.